హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ మ్యాథ్ టైమ్ విత్ ధనప్రసాద్. ఈ రోజు క్లాసులో మనం ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ మీద షార్ట్ కట్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తాం. అది ఏపీ అండ్ టీఎస్ పాలీసెట్, అదేవిధంగా ఏపీఆర్జేసి, టీఎస్ఆర్జేసి, అదేవిధంగా టెట్, డిఎస్సి, అదేవిధంగా ఏపీ ఎస్ఐ అండ్ కానిస్టేబుల్ జాబ్స్, అదేవిధంగా అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి ఎక్కడైతే మనకి ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్ యూజ్ అవుతుందో ప్రతి చోట మనకి ఈ టెక్నిక్స్, ఈ షార్ట్ కట్స్, ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనకి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఈ లెక్చర్ మీకు బాగా అర్థమైతే, మీకు నచ్చితే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, 10th term of the arithmetic progression 5, 1, -3, -7 and so on is option 1 -31, option 2 31, option 3 -27, option 4 -35. ఇక్కడ మనకి what is given, arithmetic progression is given, they are asked to find 10th term. So here when you see the options, so the arithmetic progression goes negative way, so therefore this 31 is what? Wrong answer. While reading the question we can eliminate wrong answers. Now how to find 10th term of AP? 10th term of AP is given by T10 is equal to A plus 9D. So we already discussed all these formulas in previous video, right? What is A? A is equal to how much? 5 plus 9 into what is D? Common difference means T2 minus T1. 1 minus 5, what? Minus 4. So 5 plus into minus, 9 into 4, 36. 5 minus 36, minus 31. Option 1 is what? Right answer. So therefore this type of questions are asking in all type of competitive exams. So first term A is equal to how much? A equal to 5, and what is the common difference? T2 minus T1, 1 minus 5, minus 4. Therefore 5 minus 36, minus 31 is what? Right answer. Question number 2, which term of the arithmetic progression 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 30? We have 4 options. Now we have to find which term, ఎన్నో term మనకి minus 30 అవుతుంది అనేది క్వశ్చన్. మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 methods ఉన్నాయి. First method, we'll see the first method. So I gave you already one formula, which whenever the question is which term of the arithmetic progression is some number, take it as k and we have to find n. N is equal to formula k minus a by D plus 1. In previous video I already gave proof of this formula. You can go through this. I want minus 30 minus a. A is what? First term, which is what? 21 by D. Common difference. Difference is what? T2 minus T1. 18 minus 21 minus 3 plus 1. Here it is minus 30 minus 21 minus 51. Minus 51 by minus 3 plus 1. Minus minus cancel. 3 goes 17 times, 17 3 is 51, therefore 3 goes 17 times, 17 plus 1, 18. 18 is what? Right answer. Therefore option 2, 18 is the right answer. So number. Now we have one more method, second method. This is also easy. If you look at the arithmetic progression 21, 18, 15 and so on minus 30, all are what? Multiples of 3. Therefore here you can write like this: 21, 18, 15 and so on, 0 and so on minus 30. Right, so here all are multiples of 3, therefore we can count the third table. So here it is 3, 6 and so on. So here 3 goes how many times in 21? 3 goes how many times? 7 times. So here in minus 30, 3 goes how many times? 10 times. Include 0 is also a number, therefore 7 plus 1 plus 10. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 10, 18 is what? Right answer. ఇంకొకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం దీన్ని. ఇవన్నీ కూడా 3కి మల్టిపుల్స్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి 21లో 3 n టైమ్స్ పోతుంది అంటే 7 టైమ్స్. అదేవిధంగా minus 30లో 3 minus 10 టైమ్స్. టర్మ్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్గా తీసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి 3 goes in 30 10 times. 0 is also a number, 0 is also a term, therefore total terms 10 plus 1 plus 7, 18. Therefore option 2 is what? Right answer. Question number 3, in arithmetic progression sum of n terms Sn is equal to, so this is the standard formula. So I want in arithmetic progression sum of the n terms Sn is equal to how much? We know that which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is what? Option 1 is right answer. This is the standard question. Each formula, each shortcut is very very important for all competitive exams with respect to of what? Progressions. Question number 4, if A, B, C are in geometric progression, then A by B equal to how much? We have 4 options. So therefore here what is given? A, B, C are given in geometric progression. Therefore by using a common ratio formula we can get the value of what? A by B. How to get? See here. So when this is T1, this is T2, this is what? T3. How to find common ratio? T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. This is very very important formula. Therefore B by A equal to C by B. But I want the value of what? A by B. A by B రావాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? వీటిని ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ రివర్స్ చేస్తున్నాం. Both the sides reversing the fractions. A by B is equal to what? B by C. Therefore option 1 is right answer. Question number 5, which is very very interesting one. See here, in the series 112, 109, 106, 103 and so on, which term is the first negative term? We have to find which term will be negative term. ఎన్నో టర్మ్ నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది అనేది కావాలి మనకి. సో ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ మనకి -5th టర్మ్. టర్మ్స్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఫస్ట్ టర్మా, సెకండ్ టర్మా, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ అంటాం, కానీ నెగిటివ్ టర్మ్స్ -5th, -4th టర్మ్ అలా ఉండదు. కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. ఐ వాంట్ విచ్ టర్మ్ విల్ బి నెగిటివ్. టర్మ్ నెంబర్ 5th టర్మా, 10th టర్మా, 38th టర్మా, 36th టర్మా, 32nd టర్మా అనేది. సో ఆప్షన్ 2 38th టర్మ్, ఆప్షన్ 3 36th టర్మ్, ఆప్షన్ 4 32nd టర్మ్. విచ్ టర్మ్ విల్ బి నెగిటివ్ అనేది మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. విచ్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఎంత, వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఎంత టర్మ్ విల్ బి వాట్? నెగిటివ్. దేర్ ఫర్ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎంత టర్మ్ ఫార్ములా? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So nth term will be, I should what? Negative value. So by inspection, by checking for n is equal to 38 or n is equal to 36 or n equal to 32, ఈ టర్మ్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ అవుతుందా వాల్యూ అనేది చూస్తున్నాం మనం. A is equal to how much అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి 112 plus n minus 1, we are going to find n value into D. What is the D? Difference. T2 minus T1, 109 minus 112, which is what? -3. So here 112 minus into plus minus, so minus 3n minus into minus plus 3, which is equal to 112 plus 3, 115 minus 3n is equal to what? I want negative value. So for what value of n, its value should be negative. -5 కాదని ఆల్రెడీ మనం చెప్పుకున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా ఉన్న వాటిలో పెద్దది 38 పెట్టి చెక్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. when I substitute 38 here, 3 into 38, I am getting 114. 115 minus 1 by 4 is equal to what? 1. We are getting positive value. So I have to substitute more than 38. But here there is no more than 38 value. 38 కంటే ఎక్కువ వాల్యూ లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది 36, 32. అవి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇంకా పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూసే వస్తాయి కానీ నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ రాదు. కాబట్టి 38 కంటే ఎక్కువ నెంబర్ అంటే మనం 39 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి చెక్ చేద్దాము. when I substitute n is equal to 39, 3 into 39, which is what? 117. Here it is what? 115. 115 minus 117 is equal to what? -2. Means the term value is what? Negative value. We got first negative value when n is equal to 39. Therefore here I have to substitute n is equal to what? 39. 39th term. 39th term will be first negative term in the arithmetic progression. Its value is equal to how much? -2. So therefore in the given options there is no right answer. So here -5th term is wrong option. 38, 36, 32 are also wrong, because when I substitute 38 I am getting +1. I want negative value, therefore I substituted 39. When I put n equal to 39, 3 into 39, which is 117. Therefore 115 minus 117 -2. I got first negative value in the arithmetic progression when n is equal to what? 39. Therefore 39th term is the term which is what? Negative. Question number 6. In an arithmetic progression, 5th term is 24. Given that 5th term is 24 and 12th term is 94. 12th term is 94. Then we have to find sum of the first 20 terms. So it is a little bit lengthy, but within 1 minute we can finish it. So we have 4 options. Anyhow, 5th term is 24 and 12th term is 94. First let us write 5th term. 5th term means T5 is equal to A plus 4D is equal to how much? 24. Now 12th term is 94. Means T12 is equal to A plus 11D is equal to what? 94. First I am going to find D value and what? A value. Then I will go for sum of the first 20 terms. When I subtract this, 11D minus 4D, which is what? 7D is equal to 70. 7 goes 10 times. D is equal to what? 10. D equal to 10. When I substitute D is equal to 10 in this equation, 4 into 10, 40. 40 goes that side and becomes what? -40. A is equal to what? -16. D is equal to 10 and A is equal to minus 16. Now I want sum of the first 20 terms. S20 is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What is n? N equal to 20. 20 by 2, 2A, 2 into minus 16, minus 32 plus n minus 1. Here 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into D, 19 into 10, 190, which is equal to 10 into 158. When I multiply this, 1580 is sum of the first 20 terms, which is option 4 is right answer. So therefore in this question, T5 is given, write it as A plus 4D. T12 is given, write it as A plus 11D. సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే D వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. D వాల్యూ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే A వాల్యూ మైనస్ 16, A వాల్యూ D వాల్యూ N వాల్యూ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ 20 టర్మ్స్ వస్తుంది. Question number 7. The first term of GP is 486, means A equal to 486 and the common ratio is 1 by 3, means R equal to 1 by 3. What we want? We want 10th term of GP. What is the T10 for geometric progression? A into R power 9. A equal to 486. R power 9. What is R? 1 by 3 power 9. So 486. So see here, the at denominator we have 243, 81, 729, etc. Therefore 486 can be written as 2 into 243 by here 3 power 9. 3 power 9 can be written as how much? See, let us see. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 3, 243. Means when I multiply 5 times, 3 into 3 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 3 power 5 times 243. What left? 3 power 4 times left. So this is 3 power 9. 5 times మనకి 243 అవుతుంది. 3 power 4 times ఇది 81 అవుతుంది మనకి. 81. This cancel. We are getting 2 by 81, which is what? Option 3 is right answer. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ A ఈక్వల్ టు 486, కామన్ రేషియో R ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 3 ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. T10, 10th టర్మ్, T10 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు A ఇంటూ R పవర్ 9. 486 ఇంటూ 1 by 3 హోల్ పవర్ 9. 486ని 2 ఇంటూ 243 అని రాశాను, చాలా చోట్ల 243 కనిపిస్తుందని. 3 power 9 ఎలా రాస్తున్నాము అంటే 3 power 5 ఇంటూ 3 power 4. 3 power 5 అంటే 243, 3 power 4 అంటే 81. This cancel, we are getting 2 by 81 is right answer. Question number 8. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is 3, means A equal to 3, and the last term is 27. Last term means Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 27 is given. So here A equal to 3, when 3 goes that side it becomes n minus 1 into D is equal to what? 27 minus 3, 24. Right. Now still what is given? The fifth term from the first, means T5 is equal to fifth term from the last are same, means T n minus 5. So in the second part which is given that fifth term from the first is equal to fifth term from the last, means T5 is equal to T n minus 5 because Tn is what? Last term. Now what is T5? A plus 4D. What is T n minus 5? A plus n minus 6 into D. So here 5 unte 5 minus 1, which is what? 4. N minus 5 minus 1, which is what? N minus 6. Now A cancel. At the same time both the sides we can cancel. DD cancel. When minus 6 comes this side, minus 6 plus 4, 10. Therefore n is equal to what? 10. There are n terms in the given arithmetic progression, or the last term is what? N. Now substitute n is equal to 10 here. 10 minus 1, 9. D is equal to 24 by 9. 3 goes 3 times, 3 goes 8 times. A by 3. So therefore D is equal to 8 by 3. Therefore the common difference is 8 by 3. So in 4 options there is no 8 by 3. All options are wrong. The right option, the right answer is what? 8 by 3. Now question number 9. Under the usual notations in arithmetic progression, if 2A equal to D, then the ratio of the sum of the first 11 terms and the sum of the first 5 terms. We want the ratio of sum of the 11 terms and sum of the first 5 terms, where 2A equal to D is given. What is given here? 2A equal to D has been given. We have to find the ratio of sum of the first 11 terms and sum of the first 5 terms. Means The ratio of S11, S5 we want. What is Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that formula put n is equal to 11 here. When I put 11 here, 11 by 2. 2a, what is 2a? 2a is equal to what? D. In place of 2a we are writing d. Therefore d plus n minus 1. N is equal to how much? 11. 11 minus 1, 10. 10d. By I want S5, sum of the first 5 terms. Therefore put n is equal to what? 5. n place lo 5 substitute చేస్తాయి. 5 by 2. Again 2a. 2a is nothing but what? D. Plus, so n equal to 5 here. 5 minus 1, 4. 4d. So here 2 2 gets cancelled. So here 11 by 5 into what is there? D plus 10d. Total 11d. By d plus 4d, total 5d. dd cancel. 11 by 5 into 11 by 5. 11 by 5 whole square. Option 1 is right answer. So here what is given, what is asked? The given one is 2a equal to d. Kept it aside. And what we have to find? The ratio of sum of the first 11 terms and sum of the first 5 terms. S11 is 11 by 2 into d plus 10d according to this formula. S5 is this one. When you simplify this, we are getting 11 by 5 whole square. Question number 10. The first term of a GP is 256, means A equal to 256. And the common ratio is minus 1 by 2, means given R is equal to minus 1 by 2. So first term is 256 and the common ratio R equal to minus 1 by 2. Then T10 is equal to how much? What is the Tn formula? Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. Therefore, what is the T10? Here put n equal to 10. T10 is equal to A into R power what? 9. What is A? A is equal to how much? 256 into R power 9. What is R? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole power 9. So minus power base means we will get minus here. Minus 256 into 2 power 9 is equal to how much? We know that 2 power 8 is equal to 256. So therefore 2 in 2 power 9, from 2 power 8 we are getting 256 and 1 2 is remaining. Therefore 256 cancel. Minus 1 by 2 is our answer. So if you know the formulas and if you have enough practice, you can get the answer within seconds. Therefore what is given? First term A is given, common ratio R is given. Tn formula A into R power n minus 1. Substitute the values and simplify, you will get the answer. Question number 11. In a GP, the fourth term is 24 and the ninth term is 768. Then the first term is. So here what is given? Fourth term means T4. T4 is equal to AR cube is equal to how much? 24. Now ninth term means T9. T9 is equal to AR power 8 is equal to how much? 768. So therefore we have to divide these two. What happens? When I take its ratio, here this. So here AA gets cancelled. R power 3 goes R power 5 times is equal to 24 by 768. So therefore 1 by R power 5 is equal to 24 by 768. So 24 goes 32 times. So when I reverse these fractions, R power 5 is equal to 32. 32 can be written as 2 power 5. Therefore R equal to what? R equal to 2. When I put R equal to 2 here, when I put R equal to 2, 2 cube 8, 8 goes 3 times, means A equal to 3. So therefore our first term A is equal to 3, option 2 is right answer. I would like to repeat. Fourth term ante AR cube అని తెలుస్తుంది. Ninth term ante AR power 8, AA cancel. ఇక్కడ bases are same. Here power is 3, here power is 8. When 3 comes down, 8 minus 3, 5. So 1 by R power 5 is equal to 24 goes 32 times. R power 5 is equal to 32, which can be written as 2 power 5. So therefore R equal to 2. When I put R equal to 2 here, 2 cube 8, 8 goes 3 times. A equal to 3. Question number 12. Find the 10th term in AP, means what is T10? A plus 9D. So first term A equal to 5 plus 9 into D is equal to T2 minus T1. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Therefore 5 plus into minus minus. So here 9 into 4, 36 minus 31. Option 1 is right answer. సో హియర్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ 10th టర్మ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని అడగడం జరిగింది. ఏపీలో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 అని తెలుస్తుంది. అదేవిధంగా డి కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ T2 మైనస్ T1, 1 మైనస్ 5 మైనస్ 4. సో 5 మైనస్ 36 మైనస్ 31 is what? Right answer. So if you see here, first two terms are positive, remaining all terms are what? Negatives. So the first term is positive, second term is positive, from third term onwards are what? All are negative terms. So in the given options here, we have only one negative term, which is what? Minus 31. Therefore option 1 is right answer. Without doing this work, we can look at the options and we can choose the right option. Next question, if A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then B minus A is equal to how much? When three terms are in A, B, C, what is common difference formula? D is equal to T2 minus T1, means B minus A, or what? T3 minus T2 means what? C minus B. So I want B minus A. B minus A value is equal to how much? C minus B. C. Option 2 is what? Right answer. So by using common difference technique, we got the answer very quickly. We have to remember that D is equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 and so on. Next question. If A, B, C are in GP, then A by B is equal to how much? When A, B, C are in GP, we have to go for what? Common ratio. What is common ratio formula? R is equal to T2 by T1 or T3 by T2. These are all what? T1, T2, T3, etc. So therefore common difference is T2 by T1 means B by A is equal to T3 by T2 means C by B. What I want? I want A by B, but I have here B by A. Reverse the fractions both the sides. It becomes A by B is equal to what? B by C. Option 2 is right answer. Question number 15. The sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. We have one beautiful formula for finding sum of the first n numbers. So here sum of the first n numbers is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So therefore in this formula let us substitute 100. So when I substitute 100 here, 100 into 100 plus 1 means 101 divided by 2. 2 goes 50 times. So here 0 I am writing here. Now 5 into 101 means 505. 5050 is our answer. So with this problem we completed AP and TS Polyset 2019 and 18 question and answers very clearly. So this is useful for both AP and TS Polyset, అదేవిధంగా APRJC, TSRJC, AP and TS SI కానిస్టేబుల్ జాబ్స్ ఫర్ ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మనకి బాగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో 2017-16 క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ మీకు అందిస్తాము. వాటి కోసం రెడీగా ఉండండి. జై హింద్.